The purpose of this video is to share with you how to manage permissions of your documents for a CIR. Each school will have its own set of documents. So I'm in Georgetown, but we're doing these schools. So I'm going to click on Anderson High School. The collaboration documents are different from the folder itself. Within the folder, you're going to want to give people special permissions. But the first thing I want to do is invite everybody to my folder. So I'm going to make sure I have their Gmails. And once I have their Gmails, I'm going to click on Anderson. It'll drop down here, share. And then I'm going to type in all of the people's Gmails that I want to share this with. Okay? And then I'm going to click done. By doing that, it'll send them an invite to the folder. And when I do that, I'm going to make sure that I make them can view only. So I'm going to click, and I can type in a note to them, letting them know that I am providing them access to this folder. Again, that's going to be, you click on the name of the school, share, type in their Gmail, and then done. Now, you can type in their school email address if they're a Google school. Then you can type in just the address they give you. But if they're an Outlook school or don't use Gmail as their main way of doing email, then you need to get a Gmail for them. Once you've given them access, you have to manage their access for a few documents. So if you look in here, you'll see that it has interview questions for high school. Well, for the interviews, we want everyone to be able to type on that. So in order to do that, we go to share, and you'll see the different people who have access. And if this said read only or can comment only, I want to change it to can edit. So what you're going to do is change this permission so that everybody can edit. I've emailed you, or Jerry has emailed you, what documents need to be can edit. But they're going to be the interview documents, they're going to be the evidence sheet, they're going to be the debriefing sheet, and they're also going to be the template, the report template. But again, those are written in the email that she has sent you. So that's how you share the overall folder with everybody, and then you do the same thing for the individuals by clicking on the documents and changing their permission to can view. Okay?